If you've not used magnetic snaps before, I have them in my shop. Some of you have used them. They come in two parts. One is a male and one is a female. So they look like that. So that's the male with the little protruding part there, and the female has an indent, and they slip together like that. So what we're going to do is take the male part first, if I can get it apart. Just slide the washer and wiggle it through. So what we're going to do is take a washer, and with the round center part of the washer, center that on that little mark you made, and with a marker, mark the two slits there. Now what we want to do is actually cut those slits. Now I just take a pair of snips and gently you've only got to make a little tiny mark, just enough to get the prongs through. Just like that. A couple of little slits. Now take the male part and add the male part to the right side of your piece. Next, we're going to take a piece of, I've got a piece of stiffened felt here, but you could use Peltex, something that's a little heavier. And we're going to do the same thing on that. So we're going to mark those slits there and just center it on your little piece. It hasn't got to be large, just enough to cover. So we're going to do the same thing, cut two little slits in that, and that will now go over those prongs. And that's just to give a bit of extra weight and protection to your fabric. Slip your washer over the top and fold in the prongs. Now you may need to do it with a ruler, squash it down with the end of a ruler. And that's your magnetic snap, the male part installed. What we now want to do is put our little washer over and mark. So put the washer in the center just like we did before, and mark the slit marks either side there. So now go ahead once again and just make a little tiny slit. It's only got to be enough to get those prongs through. Flip it over, and we're going to put in the female part of the magnetic snap this time. And just like before, I haven't cut that one big enough. There we go. Just like before, I'm going to add a little bit of, like I said, I've used felt for this. So I've gone ahead and marked those slits and cut them. And just pop that over the top. Then slip on your washer and turn down those ends once again inwards, and just do that with the ruler.